Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kristen. Today I'm bringing you guys some more trash to treasure, my favorite all-time favorite videos to do. So you guys are new to my channel, you probably didn't know that I love doing trash treasure. I love garage sailing, I love going to thrift shops, I love finding new thrift stores, and if it's ever possible I will pick stuff up off the side of the road, which has only happened once because people just don't leave stuff on the side of the road. We're gonna do that. Before I get started with that, I do want to do a quick little unboxing with you guys. This company is fairly new. It's AIAawards.com, and it's an American Influencer Beauty Bundle. So you get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, and there's like a new influencer every single month that has their products on here. This month is Mana Kadar, and I actually kind of started opening stuff and tell you guys what I think about this stuff. So first off, it's $34. It's a bi-monthly subscription. So it's 34 bucks, and you get $140 worth of products in here. I love subscription boxes. I think they're super fun, and it has been a minute since I have unboxed any sort of just random box. But I love this. I have tried everything but one thing out of this box, and I love it. So I'm actually wearing a lot of this stuff right now because, like I said, I wanted to test it out. They're very high-end beauty products, which is awesome. I'm very cheap when it comes to stuff. I just buy drugstore items for my face and everything. So it was kind of exciting to get something new. So I'm going to show you guys what came in this box. Like I said, I opened this, so it kind of looks messy, but you get this hydrating face mist. This smells incredible. You do like 2 to 4 sprays, and it just smells amazing. It's such a light, like rosy scent, but it kind of is sweet at the same time. This is absolutely amazing. This is one of my favorite products in this box. The next thing, you get a mascara, and then you get a lash serum to make your lashes look longer. So these are what they look like, just like this. And then they came, and they all came, like I said, wrapped up. I kept the boxes. This is what the boxes came in. Loved these, and it doesn't bother my eyes. A lot of makeup bothers my skin and my eyes, and it's a messy. But these work really well. I love these. And then you also get, this is a Lip Lock Prime Gloss. I actually haven't even opened this because I'm not too big into lip glosses. But if you are, I did see an unboxing video, and this is a very light tint, so I actually may try this even though it looks kind of dark. Also, you receive a powder, and you receive a bronze and a blush. So this is what those look like. And like I said, these came in little boxes. These came in little boxes like this. And so you get a bronze and blush, and they are gorgeous. I have them on now, and I love these. Love them. And then a powder. So if you guys want to check out this box, I will leave links in the description box below. Along with well, it's actually just a link. So if you guys want to check out this box, I will leave a link in the description box below, and it has a coupon code already added to the link. So if you guys want to check it out, be sure to do that. But anyways, let's get on to some DIYs. So this first DIY is a spool. So normally I think a lot of people can get these from Consumer Energy or your electric company. Whoever you guys go through, we have consumers. But I found this at a garage sale for only $2. And as much as I love the writing and all the letters and numbers and everything on this, I wanted to paint it white because that is just what I prefer, and I thought it'd go way better with my home decor. I'm kind of starting to go everything white. You guys, if you are old to my channel or new to my channel, I love having everything white. So my trim in my house is oak and brown, and it just kind of makes everything dull and dingy. So I'm really trying to update everything and paint it white so it's more bright and happy and cheery in my house. So I wanted to go with this. I think this is actually going to go outside, either on the patio or the front porch, but I am just using the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white to paint this. And I like the Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I have nothing against it. It's a little bit more watery than a lot of normal chalk paints I've used. I know that Kills chalk paint, you can purchase these at Walmart. It's kind of nice just painting like larger pieces because you can spend I think it's like between 18 and 20 bucks for a quart of this, which I think is a good deal. I know a lot of people use Waverly chalk paint, but if you're going to paint a bigger piece, definitely water down the Waverly chalk paint, or just don't buy it and use it for smaller projects, because I've noticed that I go through a lot of that when I'm painting bigger pieces. So anyways, this spool is going to be just white using Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white. So sometimes when it comes to pieces, I don't normally flip it over and paint the bottom, but this time I actually did. A lot of people will ask me, do you sell the things that you make, etc., etc.? And no, not normally, but I have decided to do a like sort of side business off of like Facebook Marketplace, which I don't know if anybody really wants to hear this, but a lot of the larger pieces that I do paint as far as table wise, I don't have a ton of space in my house for them, but I love making them over and recreating some fun things to give you guys ideas. I actually have been selling those on Marketplace. So it's been kind of fun, and I think that is almost like my side hustle, is to make and paint tables and make them like farmhouse decor with my silhouette. Love it. So I printed off this vinyl, or cut this vinyl piece from my Silhouette Studio. Mercantile, is that how we say it? Dry goods, hardware feed. I love this. I love it a lot. I decided to put it on the top of the stool and leave it like that. I like this. I get it's a little plain, but you can still add things to it and still see the decal, which is why I made it super plain, and I absolutely love this. This next one is just a watering can. This is from a garage sale, and it was only 25 cents, and I'm using the Annabelle Blue by Dixie Belle, and this is a mineral chalk paint. If you have not ever used a mineral chalk paint, I highly recommend it. Dixie Belle is absolutely amazing. I've been using their products for quite a few weeks now. I've made some really amazing DIYs and like projects with them. Those will be coming very soon, but it goes on so much nicer than any other chalk paint I've ever used. Like I said, it's like a mineral chalk paint, which is a little bit thicker, and it just has better strokes depending on what kind of paintbrush you use. I have used some Dollar Tree paintbrushes, and I have to say that this goes on really, really well. So it doesn't have to be an extraordinary expensive paintbrush to make this work. But I love this blue. Like I said, it's Annabelle Blue, and I love this so much. And next, I'm just using a decal I cut out of Silhouette Studio. This says Farm Fresh Produce Delivered Daily. This is one of my favorites. I've actually used this in previous DIYs, but I just love this decal, so I thought I would use it again, and I think this is perfect. I'm using the Arteza vinyl in white, and I love it. And then some boxwood greenery from Walmart, 97 cents still. This was such a cute, easy project to do. I'm absolutely in love with this one. I did also seal it with a satin coat from Dixie Belle as well, so the vinyl went on perfect without taking the paint off. This next one was a little bird cage from a garage sale. Once again, this was $1, and it was super cute, and I thought I was going to leave it the color it was and throw some leaves and greenery and etc. in, but I did not like it. So I took some Color Place spray paint. It's the 97-cent spray paint from Walmart. Spray painted black just to match everything that I have in my home, and I just added a candle to the center. Maybe I will eventually add some greenery, but I just loved the way this looked, so I didn't want to change it at all. So I thought this was just cute the way it was. Add some greenery later on, or some pumpkins, something super cute in this for fall. But alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider subscribing down below, and don't forget to check out the AIA beauty box. I will leave links in the description box below so you guys can check that out. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!